Good morning, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome back. Hope everybody's doing fan-freaking-tastic. So today, we're gonna do something pretty fun. So, getting more involved in the sprint boat racing. I really want to keep doing it. And today, I'm just kind of contributing to it. We are going to take the boat that we've been running, and we are going to de-sticker it, and we're going to buff the aluminum to make it shine like a diamond. So that's what's on the agenda for today. So I gotta go get gas for Chester because it says I'm almost empty and I probably might not make it to the gas station because, well, it gets 80 gallons to the freaking mile. So I'm gonna go fill up, I'm gonna head that way, and then we are gonna start cracking on this. And I'm just excited to actually do something super cool because I haven't had like a really cool rig to do in a while. So this one's gonna be fun. I'm excited. So I'll pick it back up when we get there. See you then.
Reuse the classic.
I know they're easy to use. They're nice to use when you're dealing with paint. So here it is. She's getting de-stickered. And we're gonna try to make her shine like a diamond in a goat's ass. I'm assuming that's what we want to do. But yeah, so all that junk's coming off. Except for the 151, that's staying. But everything else is going away. So, should be fun. So I'm gonna set a time lapse. We're gonna rock and roll and get her done. Make her look good for the next race this week. So here we go. So that's what she's gonna look like. It's all de-stickered for what we wanted, but that right there is freshy. That's what we're getting rid of. So yeah, this boat is gonna be the diamond of the fleet, I think. Driver's happy with it, so I'm happy with it. You're crazy. So we're gonna get rocking and rolling. Getting all the goo off. It's always a fun process, but yeah, it's gonna be a badass boat. So here we go. So I realized I messed up yesterday when I was detailing. I forgot to show off what I was using to help explain or to show how I do these details with for the aluminum. So I have a specific polish, obviously, that I use, and it is from Detail Solutions, which is up in Portland. Already clean as it is, so but yeah, no, that was pretty much just, I just realized I totally forgot to do that once you started working and bumping music and drinking beers, and I just totally was paying attention. But yeah, so that's what I used, and I used the corded buffer, that guy right there, which I never use anymore.
jacket
There it is.
That water drains out.
Look at that. That is a whole new machine. It's all shiny. See yourself in it. See the camera in it. Looks like a job well done. So Saturday, we're gonna be the most stunting boat out there, I think. Don't you think?
Good looking.
Fuck yeah, we are. So that's this video. Hopefully the time lapse was fun to watch. Somebody fucking touched it. Bastard. So hopefully it was enjoyable, or at least you learned something on how to do it. I mean, it looks fucking fantastic. Honestly, it is a peach of a boat. And now I'm all serious about it. So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Any final comments? No? All right, shut up.